All right, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to go over this workflow called the workflow generator in n8n version 1.0.0. And if you guys don't know, this was inspired by a video created by Mark Kashev, who's doing some really cool stuff in n8n, etc. And he created a system to create workflows within Claude. And so I took this and some of the assets that he was providing from this video, and I went and replicated that system in n8n. So here we are. We have a workflow that, let me go to this proper screen. So we have a workflow here that will start with a chat, and by giving a workflow description, the AI agent here will go ahead and create that workflow, validate the JSON for that workflow, and actually create it within your n8n instance. So no more copying and downloading the JSON, creating a file, and then uploading it back into your n8n instance. So we're gonna kill two birds with one stone here. One, to use natural language to create a workflow, and then two, actually have that workflow created in your n8n so that you don't have to do that manual upload, etc. So let's get started, and let me show you how this actually works. And if you are here watching this video, that means you've landed on my new channel, which is AlexK1919_AI. I'm in the process of transitioning to this new channel, so thank you for being here. Please follow and subscribe and like this video. All right, and if you guys don't know me, my name is Alex Kim. I am a n8n ambassador and partner, doing a lot of workflow architecting and developing, as well as doing full stack development, using a lot of prompt-driven development, as you guys are aware of tools like Cursor and Lovable and things like that. So here we are. Thanks for being here, and let's go and jump into the actual workflow. Okay, to start off this workflow, we're going to go and just open up this chat, okay? And so let's say create a workflow that checks my email. Actually, let's say checks the weather in the morning and sends me an email. Pretty simple. That's it. Here we go. Let's see what that does. Boom. Kicks off. Now the AI agent is running. It's going to go reach out to OpenAI and do its thing. So boom. You guys can see here now that it validated the JSON and actually created the workflow. So here is the JSON. So morning, weather, and email. Boom, 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 boom. Here's a JSON. All right. So this prompt inside of this agent, this system message here, was, again, from a lot of it was referenced from the assets that Mark created in his Claude project. And I basically put that into the system message and refined it so that it'll work within the structure of n8n. So if you guys get access to this, you'll see all the details around how it should be creating these workflows. And so, you know, that's all in there. And that's pretty much it. So it's just one sort of detailed prompt that will create a workflow. And just so you guys know, this workflow has been submitted to n8n so that on my creators page, once it's live, this will be available for you to download and play around with. All right, so let's see what it did. It created the workflow. So if I go into my personal folder or personal project here, and you guys can also see, by the way, that we now have folders. You can create folders within your projects. So hopefully you've upgraded your instance of n8n and can now see folders. And so you can see here I have already a folder for this project that I've been working on. And now we have this morning, weather, and email. This is the workflow that was just created. You can see last updated 1 minute ago. If I click onto this, Boom. There you go, guys. So we have a trigger. It knew which API to go out to. That's crazy. Okay, so it knew where to go and pull the information and then send the email. All right. So I don't know if this will work right off the bat, but either way, to be able to use natural language and create at least an initial workflow for you to be able to modify, add credentials, add details, improve the prompt, et cetera, this is what this workflow is going to do for you. So if I go back here, let's look at version 1.000. This version is what will be available to you once it's live on the n8n creators website, and I'll post that link once it is live on the details here for this video. So hope you guys are excited about this, because I'm going to keep working on this and keep improving this, but at least as an initial starting point to be able to, let's say, just even copy and paste a project description into the chat and have it create a workflow for you on the fly. I don't know. I don't think some people will not be happy about this probably, but hey, this is where we are, using our own toolkits to create other agents and other workflows. All right. Let me know what you think. And here we go. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.